Next slide, please. Next slide. In Middle East, it is a country of Middle East and it has 6 districts and it is located with the West Bank where all the seas are there and Golan Heights, northern and southern part. We have Gaza and Tel Aviv and Jerusalem in the middle. As we all know, the capital of Israel is Jerusalem. Next slide. Israel's geography. Border countries are Egypt, Jordan, Lebanon, Syria. Bodies of water, Mediterranean Sea, Dead Sea. Israel. Israel, a Middle Eastern country on the Mediterranean Sea, is regarded by Jews, Christians, and Muslims as the Holy Land. Its most sacred sites are in Jerusalem within its old city. The Temple Mount complex includes the Dome of the Rock Shrine and the historic Western Wall, Al Aqsa Mosque, and the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Israel's financial hub, Tel Aviv, is known for its Bauhaus architecture and beaches. We all visit in the video. Flag of Israel. The blue stripes are intended to symbolize the stripes of the Talith, traditional Jewish prayer shawl. The Star of David is a widely acknowledged symbol of the Jewish people and of Judaism. In Judaism, the color blue symbolizes the god purity, glory, and Gibra, both sovereignty. It is the main color in Judaism. Yes,
Ma'am,
Anissa?
there are very much mosque.
Yes, because it's a country of Christians, so it's their church and Jews temple and mosque. We all visit this. Next slide. Next slide, please. Capital of Israel, Jerusalem. It's all the industrial country as we have know this country has Jews, Christians and Muslims. So there are sides of that sculptures. Next slide. Next slide. Okay, currency of Israel. New Israel Shakil. Anyone know what is the value in Indian currency? Who knows this? Okay, it's
Rupee.
22 points. Yeah, it's rupees, but how much?
22.37 Indian rupees.
Yes. Who answered this?
Ma'am, me, Darsh Verma.
Okay, good. Next slide. Population is 90.5 lakhs and it is the lowest population whatever country we have visited till now. Land area, the total area of the state of Israel is 22,145 square kilometer, of which 21,671 square kilometers land area. Israel is some 420 km in length and about 115 km across at the widest point. Language spoken. Hebrew, Arabic. We all have heard about Arabic. The two languages in widest use in Israel are Hebrew and Arabic. English is also widely spoken and understood, and Arabic is the daily language and language of instructions for Israel Arabic citizens. You all know that Arabic is a dead people language. They have used their national language. Next slide. Okay, Israel is famous for being ancestral homeland of the Jews. As we all know, it's a Jewish country. Israel is famous for being the birthplace of two major world religions, Judaism and Christianity. So we will visit all this together. Next slide.
Ma'am,
Yes,
this is Kiona speaking.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
So, is it the video channel named The Wine Studio?
yes.
Okay, because I was little confused.
Okay, no worries. So this is the Temple Mount, first picture. Second is the Dome of Shrine, and they both are in the same place, and it's the Western Wall. We will show this in the video as well. Next. Okay, Jerusalem. What about Jerusalem, you facts know? Jerusalem is an international icon. Jerusalem is the holiest city in the world, holy for Jews, Christians, and Muslims. Tel Aviv is the coolest city in the Mediterranean. You can float at the lowest place on earth, diverse scenery, and it's safer than you think. Plus, you know one fact, Jerusalem is rebuilt by 52 times. It is damaged by 32, but then it is still the same. You can see the sculptures and the ancient architecture they have made. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next slide. Indrani ma'am, next slide. Okay. Masada is the UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular tourist destinations in Israel. It's a mountain complex in Israel in the Judean desert that overlooks the Dead Sea. It is famous for the last stand of the Zealots in the Jewish revolt against Rome. And I want to know which is the largest city in Israel. Who knows this? Answer. Anybody know? Okay, second largest.
Ma'am, it's Dimona.
Yes. And second largest.
Miss,
Tel Aviv. Okay.
Miss, I want to tell you a fact about the Dead Sea.
There's not that fact about Dead Sea, but it's a Turkish. It passes through Turkey.
Miss, I want to tell you a fact about the Dead Sea. Ma'am,
Yes.
third largest city in Israel is Haifa.
No, it's Demona.
Miss, Miss,
Yes.
I'm going to tell you a fact about the Dead Sea.
Okay. Yes, say.
If we lie down in the Dead Sea, we will not sink, but we will float.
Okay. Thanks for sharing. Okay, now we will continue. Tel Aviv. This is a picture of the city Tel Aviv. It is the second largest city in the Israel and the richest. Tel Aviv was founded in 1909 on the outskirts of a port city. It soon grew larger than its neighbor, and in 1950, 2 years after the establishment of the State of Israel, the two were joined together to create the modern Tel Aviv. Now it's a
Temporarily unmuted.
yes. Okay. Tel Aviv is now rebuilt as the modern city and it's a financial hub of Israel. And it has also the airports. The flights land in Tel Aviv. Next slide.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will talk about the places. Yes.
I can't see your screen.
Uh, maybe your internet connection because everyone else can see. Shruti ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Church of the Holy Sepulchre.
Ma'am?
Sepulchre. Yes.
But I can't see the screen.
Maybe your internet connection is low. You can rejoin.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Temporarily unmuted.
Okay. Basilicas dating to the 4th century that is marked by some Christian as the site of Jesus' tomb. You can see how beautifully it is built as the architecture and the sculptures there. And then the Western Wall. This is the wall where the all tourists and the people prayed. We will see in the video remnant of the ancient wall of the temple courtyard, a secret site of Jewish prayer and pilgrimage. Ma'am, next slide. The Dome of the Rock is an Islamic shrine located on the Temple Mount in the oldest city of Jerusalem. The iconic gold-topped Islamic shrine built around 690 AD with huge relevance to both Christians and Jews. The Temple Mount, hilltop site also called the Noble Sanctuary, containing Islamic, Christian and Jewish structure. You can see the Golden Dome and all the Temple Mount. It is a replica of all three religions, Islamic, Christian and Jewish structure, where we can see three religion cultures together. Next slide. Indrani ma'am, next slide.
Ma'am, next slide is not coming.
Yeah.
Just a minute, there must be some network.
I cannot see the next things happening.
Okay. Or anyone have any facts about Israel? I thought you will have all the research.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Israel was the first place where it was mask free from COVID.
Yes.
Miss,
Correct.
Miss,
Yes.
the Dead Sea what is there in Israel, there is no movement in the water. So if a person
Yes.
was inside, we cannot swim.
Yes. And also there are some shops and markets for that. So in here you can't eat meat and dairy products together. You have to go separate shops for that. Okay? Next. Okay, airlines. Arkia, AI, Israel and Sandeor. Main national airlines EI. Next slide, please. Mute yourself. Okay, Israel. Okay. Facts about Israel. Mild temperatures, as in the Middle East, supports to cultivate the citrus fruits, figs, grapes. Reforestation in 1990. Fresh fruits was considered one of the best meals National food, falafel, staple food bread, Georgian weekend food. They have different kinds of food. And also I want to know who knows that once in past years they have seen, or I can say they have admired the snowfall in January and Feb in Israel. Yes. Okay. Indrani ma'am, you can share the videos now.
Ma'am, I want to show one video of.
Kiona,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can
can
go.
you share the videos for us?
Nakshita.
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want
Yes.
to show Rudra. I want to show one video of Israel.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
Rudra,
Rudra,
we will
you
have
can
that at
share
the
it.
end.
Yes.
Ma'am, this link, right? Ma'am,
No, no, no.
the vines.
Okay,
Yes,
you
yes.
stop. Wait, just a second. I send you all the three links. The first link that I sent you, play that one. The third link.
This one?
Third one, yeah.
Wait. This one?
Everyone is
Yes, this one.
annotating on the screen.
And please remove annotations. And all of you go on mute, so enjoy the video. Kiona, please remove annotations.
Okay, ma'am.
When something is coming, please move the window away from the share application.
Yes, ma'am. Even I can see it on my screen. It is coming. It is come. All the letters and the
Okay,
words are
okay.
coming in red color.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. You can see the video as well. Please enjoy that. It's the system's update.
Ma'am, you're making me in mute, then nobody can hear this video.
जगह देख सभी करेगा है एक का चेस दिखा के हाँ
That's Temple Mount.
क्या कुछ और ना दिखा के ये चाहते
Ma'am, please tell us to mute.
दिखा के
Temporarily unmuted.
This is the Mount Temple.
Yes. Yes, Western Wall was in previous.
Miss,
Yes. Enjoy and feel like you are in here.
I got the pass to burn.
There was a ad.
Yes, thank you, Fiona. You can stop your screen share.
Ma'am,
Indrani will share rest of the
ma'am,
videos.
ma'am.
Yes, Rudra, yes.
Now to show one video.
Okay, wait for some time. Let us first complete, then we will hear.
You can share it
Okay.
later. Indrani ma'am.
ma'am, after Rudra, can I also share a video, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Yes.
voicemail technology was developed in Israel.
Yes. Okay, so who's gonna tell me the world's largest desert? Any answers?
Ma'am, Antarctic Desert.
Antarctic desert. According to some
Okay, and who will tell me the world's smallest desert?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? I cannot understand.
Okay, so just have a look on the video and later on we will have the
Ma'am, can
session.
I see the biggest fish in the world?
Yes, please mute your mics. We have video for you.
Ma'am, can I see the world's largest fish?
Okay, now you can enjoy this video.
I cannot hear the video.
Even I cannot hear the video, ma'am.
It will be unmuted.
You're muted.
Ma'am, can I share the video? We can hear the video.
Ma'am, can I share the video?
Just a second. Please mute yourself. I'll share the video again. Then you can hear it.
Ma'am, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes. Just a second.
Okay, everyone enjoyed the previous video?
Yes, ma'am.
So beautiful.
Is it audible now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a prayer. So it's a prayer of Temple Mount and the Western Wall. So please hear it and enjoy.
There's blood.
Can you check the quality? It's blurred.
Video is blurred.
Yes. Check the quality.
Yeah, just check.
Yeah, now it's clear.
So this was the prayer they used to do in Israel.
Ma'am, there's someone, the name is host. I don't know who is it. The video is off.
Asking me to unmute again and again.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, ma'am, done with the videos?
Recording in progress.
video?
Nice, ma'am.
Ma'am, video was nice.
Let's
The
see
video
of
was
the
nice.
Ma'am, where will we visit tomorrow?
uh,
For tomorrow, we will be visiting Italy.
yeah, bread roll is different from the falafel.
I know, but she makes it very nicely.
Okay, so that's how they present.
Ma'am, once again, ma'am, take the presentation like this, ma'am. What is that pink color?
This is their chicken chicken curry or something like that. I don't know the name exactly as they have so many
They put a
meat
star
and
on
chicken
it.
dish. That's the presentation. That's the sign of their flag. Remember, this sign has on their flag.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's how they present.
Okay, ma'am.
As I told you, there are Christians and the Muslims, so they represent their culture everywhere.
We don't know because we are in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, but when you visit Israel or any other country, you will see
Ma'am,
that
she
they
is really in Tamil Nadu.
what?
She really is in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so I'm saying if she visits.
No, I am asking.
Ma'am, what is this purple thing?
Where is purple thing?
That even has a star on that one.
Yeah, actually I was saying there is a maybe sweet dish of there and or maybe chicken something. I don't know the name exactly, but that's their sweet dish, a white in middle.
Ma'am, this is calligraphy.
Yes,
Ma'am, this is calligraphy.
yes.
Ma'am, can you go to the previous slide? I have a doubt.